Breaking news we're following this morning. The final day of the Wisconsin State Fair canceled because of those floods. Again, State Fair final day canceled due to floods. In a statement, the State Fair says, quote, "We understand the disappointment you may feel as our team works all year for these 11 days. However, the safety of our fairgoers, team, partners, and vendors will always be our top priority," end quote. Officials say refunds will be issued for anyone that bought tickets for tonight's headliner, Happy Together. I want to show you a video from last night from State Fair as the day closed early because people wading through the water, calf-high water, going through the tunnel under the racetrack to try and get out of the park and get to their cars for safety. And here's even more video from the State Fair from earlier. People headed to their cars, many of them going barefoot due to the flash flooding there. And we want to show you all pictures of cars parked near the Milwaukee Mile at the State Fair. Many of those cars underwater as well. The fair closed early last night due to flash flooding, and the final day, as we just told you all, canceled because of those floods.